Hello, my name is Carmen Quedno and I am here to show you my flyer of Field Day and how I've chosen to use color, lines, balance, and contrast to track the parents' eyes that will create engagement and consumption of their overall message, which will give our parents a feeling of trust and eagerness to want to attend our Field Day. The first element I have used is color. It communicates using color, which is one of my favorite elements. The color orange draws the viewer's eyes to the flyer through objective analysis. Not only is it an extremely important visual communication element, it has the ability to immediately cause an effect on the viewer, which is our parents, of course. This works to my advantage, and it is why I chose to use orange. Not only it is fall time outside, but it creates energy, which we can all relate to. Our children are full of energy, and my use of orange on the flyer sets the stage and makes the viewer want more. The emotion I am hoping my viewer is feeling is excitement and anticipation. Orange also was chosen in order to relay a feeling of comfort and warmth, which we all know is extremely important when it comes to parents and their children. The blue in my flyer gives a sense of calming, which is also important to parents. When we think of comparison analysis, the orange in my flyer gives my viewers a feeling of fall and how much fun they have had with their children outside this time of year. Brings up good memories. The lines, I wanted a playful yet graceful quality to my flyer, so I chose some curved lines to achieve this form of communication. If you're feeling a sense of ease as you look at my flyer, this is because of the use of the curvy lines. It also is better used for a younger audience, as I do with this flyer, to enhance the appealing of the get-together for the children. As you can see, or I should say feel, when you look at the flyer, it gives a sense of pleasantness, and yet it's stimulating to the eye. The right amount of lines used. I did not want to create a feeling of tension. Using some diagonal lines as well has helped me to create this as an exciting event. Balance. When it comes to symmetry or equal distribution of one side versus the other, you can see that the flyer is equally balanced. It distributes the visual weight on both sides. This has given the parents' eyes focused, keeps them focused, and they do not get distracted from any particular element on the page. It also gives a feeling of safeness, which is very intentional and it's very effective. The lines also draw the eyes into the focal point, which is the field day and the theme. And last but not least is contrast. In order to prevent a stagnant element in the flyer, I use contrast to market the event, in which this case is field day. The bright colors against the white create a bit of separation between the elements, which helps to draw the parents' attention to the content, which is very important and crucial for parents. They want details. They're going to want to know what's going on at this event. The various shapes used have been used to give a sense of patterns which create distinction. All of the components work together, but are well defined. The colors contrast are appealing and not flat. It allows the parents to explore the flyer without getting bored and spending less time looking at the flyer. So using colors, lines, balance, and contrast to attract the parents' eyes and cause them to engage and take in all the information with a sense of warmth, trust, and anticipation as to what the event could bring.